commercial port that was
Yes.
that was approved the previous term, but then they had not complied with all the conditions, including public hearing, publication of tariffs,
Init.
consultation with the other port operators. We have 30
Nakana. Nakana ba?
ports with Fidelec.
Nakana, init.
So in other words, Mr. Pompey Lavinia, you were saying that there was a certificate of board resolution number 2841 series of 2020 which was approved by the former administrator. And who is the former administrator?
By the board, Your Honor, but
By
including
the
the
board.
former administrator. The
And
administrator cannot approve it by himself.
And that internal document was not meant for public consumption.
That's correct, Your Honor.
So, Attorney Quijano,
Gusto nga to ni?
so why was there a resolution granting granting Sanjia a permit to operate commercially?
Your Honor, in the beginning, I stated
Init ba? Init.
that it was placed to manufacture steel bars out from
Ay, ang gis ya ba? Bahang niya gahapon niya.
materials which are both domestically available and from
Pag kami dahil naman, di ba nung plus?
therefore, Your Honor,
Medyo gaya lang siya.
subsequent request of Sanja was for the issuance of
Wala, may gis ya bakit daghan ba? Nagka-gis ya daghan.
request was submitted to the board, Your Honor, for its approval. Subsequently, Your Honor, the board of Fidelec approved the request for the building direction of the port.
Yes, why do you have to approve a board resolution converting the port into a commercial port without persecuting a
Hindi ko kata kaniya.
Well, you haven't secured yet a permit coming from the DNR who issued an ECC.
Subjects itself to government requirements including
Tama kaya mo, ang sinasabi ko po, bakit hindi mo na kumuha sa DNR ng ECC dahil yung ECC nakasabi doon, hindi siya for commercial port. Diba? So kung hindi pa siya commercial port, walang karapatan ang board ninyo, including you, to approve such resolution converting that to a commercial port. Ang dami po natin dapat kunin muna mga dokumento coming from the national agency before a resolution can be secured from Fidelec. Ha?
the request for
Yes.
binigyan po subsequent because when the port was finished, it was already doing much of administrative opinion.
Yes.
My term was July 2017 to September 2020, Your Honor.
So po yung information, Attorney Kiana, ito ang nilalaman ng inyong resolution. Resolve to grant the intent of Pilsangia Port to engage in commercial operation subject to public hearing or consultation. So, since walang public hearing or consultation, so meaning, hindi mo siya makakonvert into commercial port. Am I correct?
I agree, Your Honor.
Yes. Bakit nakapasok itong mga rice? And, I don't know, if there
Fish.
is drug inside.
Rice and fish.
That's not doing my watch anymore, Your Honor.
Sino to? Mr. Pompey Lavinia. Bakit?
Bakit po nakapasok?
Yes. Dahil hindi pa naman siya pwede mag-function as commercial port. but you allow to enter all those 2,900 metric tons of rice. Because it's not commercially operated yet.
That's
Dahil
right.
ang sinabi nyo dito, unless a public hearing or consultation must be subjected first.
That's right, Your Honor.
Sa kuan naman iba, Senado naman iba.
Conducted the public hearing?
Oh.
At the time, there was no public hearing. That's why we
Yes.
intercepted the boat because there was even no permission for the boat to land.
Yeah, but you allow the enter of the 2,900 metric tons. Eventually, you have decided to release all those 2,900. And I will tell you why. I will tell you why. Nandito nakalagay. At 1:11 p.m. of February 2021, Attorney Gusay informed the administrator that she has verified with BOC Collector John Simon by phone call that the documents of the importation are in order and the BOC has also verified with the regional director of NICA that there is no alert order for the importation.
Administrator, eh, si Kuan, ani, Pompe.
Nagkaroon na ng clearance. A meeting was requested by Collector John Simon with the PBDEC representative in the afternoon. And Attorney Gusay was allowed by the administrator to attend the meeting. A report on what transpired during the meeting was submitted by Attorney Gusay on February 2021. During the meeting, Attorney Noe S. Penino Jr. disclosed that PBDEC 1A will be in trouble if the cargo was not released immediately. Sino ang sinasabi ni Noah L. Espinillo Jr., attorney, na kapag hindi na-release ang cargo, PBDEC will be in trouble?
Tama po. We were being threatened by the Bureau of Customs that if we did not release the cargo, I would actually be liable for cases.
Sino sa Bureau of Customs ang nagsabi na you will be in trouble pag hindi na-release ang mga bigas na hindi pa naman siya commercial port? Sino?
I think it's in the report, Your Honor.
What's the name?
Who did it?
You tell me.
I think it's I don't have copy of the report, but I think it's the lawyer of the shipper and then Manuel, was it Manuel, the BIR, the customs direct, the customs person in charge of the direct.
Di awan ang question na ginailagayo day bay. Ba?
No, si Commissioner Guerrero, nag-imbestiga si Secretary Dominguez after because they were actually thinking that I was holding the view of the customs and the view of the Department of Finance that I was holding the cargo illegally.
Okay, Mr. Chairman, I know that this will be so this will be so we are not done yet. It's important to have an issue first with the immigration. But, Lavinia, Attorney Lavinia, Pompi Lavinia.
Yes po.
We will be inviting you over again in the next hearing. We have to settle this issue. And we will be inviting those Bureau of Customs who have signed the release of this illegal smuggling of rice sa Sanchia. Not yet a commercial port, pero ni-release. And even
Di pa siya commercial port nga nung gi-release niya diha. Ba?
Shipment inside was also cleared by NICA. Am I correct?
Yes, after the dog, I had the K9 dog sniff all of the cargo, Your Honor. And then the report was that was what they said. But then Nika denied there was such a written report. Of course, I cannot verify 100% that the report actually came from Nika. I was told that the report came from Nika.
Okay, thank you so much. Yung container permitting, you know that container permitting,
Yes, Your Honor.
48 hectares under the PBDEC port natin,
Yes, Your Honor.
which is being handled by the ICSDI.
Ay, protectors lang. Asa man kita na container yard?
Is,
Ha?
Ano na container yard?